Good morning, 5K. So this morning for math, you are going to help me put these number cards in order. Now, I have all the numbers in my hand from 1 to 9, and I'm going to need your help. And then we're going to make towers for our numbers using cubes. And next week, you are going to get your own number cards, and we're going to put them in order together. Okay, but today I want you to watch and listen so that you have extra practice so that next week when it's your turn, you know exactly what to do. So I'm going to turn this so you can see a little bit better. All right, I'm going to lay out all my number cards here. They're all mixed up. All right, my sweets, when I am putting my number cards in order and when I start counting, what number should I always start with? I'm going to put that one always over here on the left. What number do I start with when I count? I always start with the number 1. You got it. So where do you see the number 1? You can point to it on your screen. Where do you see the number 1? Yeah, right here. Number 1 will always go first, and we will always put number 1 on the left because we always count left to right. All right, my sweets. Now, what number card comes next when we're counting? 1. Yeah, where do you see number 2? You can point to it on the screen when you see it. Yeah, right here. Here's number 2. So I'm going to put that after number 1. 1, 2. What's going to come next? 1, 2. Yeah, good job. 3. You can talk to the computer and say it. Where's the number 3? Do you see it? It's right here. Here's the number 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. What comes next? What comes after 3? I'm going to scooch these closer for you. What comes after 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Where do you see number 4? Yeah, right here. Here's the number 4. Count with me. Talk to your computer. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes next? We always go left to right. What goes next? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 5. Where do you see the number 5? Yeah, you got it. Good job pointing. Down and around and give it a hat. You got it. All right. My dears, what comes after 5? Let's count to find out what number comes next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it. 6. Remember, 6 is the curly one that looks like my hair. Where do you see the number 6? This is a 9, so it's not that one. This is 7. That's not right. This is crazy 8. Here's 6. If you pointed to that one, you can kiss your brain. All right, let's count. We always start over because it helps us know what comes next so we don't accidentally put that one there because we wouldn't say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. That's not right. So we always start over and double check because you know, smart mathematicians always double check. So double check with me. Here we go. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? 5, 6, 7. 7 goes next. So I'm going to put 7 down. All right. 2 left. What comes next? Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. Here's crazy 8. All right. Let's count again. We're almost done. Let's see if we did it right. If this really is our last number. Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We did it. We have them all in order. Now, my sweets, I am going to make a tower of 9. When you come back to school, we will get to use cubes. But remember, when I use my cubes, can I put the chimney going off to the side? No. Where does it need to go? Tell me, talk to your computer. Yeah, my chimney needs to go up. All right, so I'm gonna start with 9. I'm gonna whisper count as I put them on. So here's 1, 2. I want you to whisper count with me. 3. Good job. Keep going. 4. Whisper count. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Now, I told you smart mathematicians always double check, so I want to make sure that I actually have 9 and that I didn't, let me see if I can see you, that I didn't put any extra. So count with me. Okay, ready? We're going to start at the bottom. Here we go. Ready? Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I want to put this tower by the number 9. Where's the number 9? Oh, you're right. It's right here. Here's the number 9. Now I want to make a tower of 6. I want you to whisper count with me, okay? Whisper count with me. Here we go. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We whisper count so when we're in school, we don't bother our neighbor who's counting right next to us and mix up their counting. Okay, count with me. We start at the bottom. We always double check. Here we go. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did it. All right, where's the number 6? Told you it's like my hair. It looks curly like my hair. Is this the number 6? No. Number 6? Number 6? Yes. All right, I'm going to do one more. I'm going to make 3. Whisper count with me. Ready? Here we go. Chimneys go up. Count with me. 1, 2. Good job. 3. Okay, where's the number 3? Oh, here it is. Good job. All right, now I want you to point to my tower that has 9. Point on your computer. Where's my tower that has 9? Right here. I'm going to just take 1 cube off. Watch. Are you watching? Here we go. If I took 1 off, do I still have 9? No, I don't. I don't have 9. Let's see how many I have. I had 9, and I took 1 off. Let's see how many I have. Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where's 8? Crazy 8. Oh, right here. Here's crazy 8. Awesome. I'm going to break crazy 8. Where's tower number 3? Over here. I'm going to take 1 off. Are you ready? Do I still have 3 cubes in my tower? No, I took 1 off. How many do I have? Let's count. 1, 2. So can I put it right here? I have to put it by number 2. Okay, I'm going to break this tower. What tower do I have left? What number is this? Tell me. Say it to the computer. Yeah, 6. I'm going to take 1 off the top. Do I still have 6 if I took 1 off? Let's count. Here we go. Ready? Count with me. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can I put it right here at 6? No, it doesn't match. I need to put it at 5. Awesome. All right, I'm going to twist and break this. Now, we're going to do more work with towers on our math paper. So I am going to clean up these numbers. I want you to count with me, and then we're going to go do our math paper and be done with math. Here we go. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Keep counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Awesome. All right, we're going to go do our math paper. So what I want you to do is I want you to get out your crayons and your pencil and an eraser. Those 3 things: crayons, pencil, eraser, and of course your packet. Okay, ready? Go get those things. You can pause me and go get those things. All right, you should have your pencil. I use a marker, you use a pencil. Always use a pencil, please, when you're writing. Don't use crayons or colored pencils, just use a regular pencil. You should have your colors and you should have your packet. Now, what you're gonna do is you just did the tracing of the circles yesterday. So you're gonna turn to the next page and you should see 4A. It looks just like mine. Remember, the first thing we always do is write our name at the top. So write your name at the top. Be very neat, very careful, write slowly. I have been seeing that some of you have very, very neat handwriting and your coloring is perfect. So thank you for doing such a nice job, my dears. All right. Whenever you see a number in gray, that means the computer wants you to trace it. It didn't make it completely in black like these numbers down here. If you see it in gray, that means the computer wants you to trace it. So my loves, what we're going to do is we are going to start with the 1. I want you to take your pencil, put it on the chocolate chip, and carefully stay on the number 1. Ready? Go. When you're done, I want you to park your pencil. Park it on the table, park it on your desk, park it wherever you're working. Park it. That means it's not moving. What number are we going to trace next after the 1? You can tell me that's the number 4. You got it. Pick up your pencil. We're going to trace the number 4. Start at the chocolate chip, that black dot. Down, slide right, cut it in 2. Park your pencil. What number are we going to trace next? 1, 4. Yeah, a 1. Pick up your pencil. Here we go. Trace the number 1. Park your pencil. That way you're not working right now. You're waiting for the next direction. Okay, here we go. Let's say the pattern. Say it with me. Ready? Go. 1, 4, 1. Yeah, 4. All right, take your pencil. Let's trace the number 4. Start at the chocolate chip. Down, slide right, cut it in 2. Park your pencil. Awesome job. All right, take your finger, go whoop. Let's say the pattern. Ready? Go. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. You got it. We have to do this one all by ourselves. So you're going to take your pencil, pick up your pencil, and now you are just going to make a number 1 top all the way to the bottom. Stop at the bottom. Don't go under. Ready? Go. Park your pencil. What do you think is going to go next? Are we going to write another number 1? No. Let's say the pattern. Ready? Talk to the computer. Ready? Go. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. Yes, 4. Take your pencil and you are going to go down to the middle line, slide on the middle line, go back to the top, cut it in 2 all the way to the bottom. Good job, you did it. Catch your brain. All right, now we're going to do the next one, just like we did. Your pencil's parked. What number are we tracing first? The number? Yeah, the number 1. Take your pencil. Go straight down from the chocolate chip. Stop at the bottom. Park your pencil. What number are we going to trace next? Yes, the number 5. And you should have noticed we did that pattern for math meeting, didn't we? Yeah, we did. Let's trace our 5. Take your pencil. Remember, 5, you start at the chocolate chip. You go down first to the middle and then around to the bottom. Don't go under the bottom line. If you do, erase it, please. You always should write as neat as you can. And then go back to the top and give it a hat. Park your pencil. Put it down. Park it on the table. It's not moving. When your mom's car is parked, it's not moving. 1, 5. What number goes next? 1. Take your pencil. Trace your number 1 and park your pencil. What number goes next? 1, 5, 1, 5. Take your pencil. Trace the number 5 down first, and then around to the bottom. And then you go back up to the top and give it a hat, and then park your pencil. All right, my sweets. Now, what goes next? We have to figure it out all by ourselves. Can you help me? Okay, what should we do? Yeah, we should say the pattern. Start from the beginning. Okay, say it with me. Your pencil's parked. Ready? Say it with me. Ready? Go. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. You got it. Take your pencil. You're going to start at the chocolate chip and you're going to go straight down to the bottom and then stop at the bottom. Don't go under it. Stop. Awesome. Mine's a little crooked. If I had a pencil, I'd erase it and fix it. All right, what number goes last? Oh, I need to park my pencil. Park your pencil. That way I can touch and count with my finger. Say it with me. Ready? Go. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. You got it. All right, take your pencil. You're going to go down to the middle line. Then you're going to go around to the bottom. And then you're going to go back to the chocolate chip and give it a hat. Awesome. You are all done with your pencil. So what I want you to do is put your pencil down and I want you to pick one color. Please don't pick a lot of colors, just do one. Pick any color you would like. I'm going to pick this purpley red color. You can pick any color. And it says, color the towers, start from the bottom, just like we do with our cubes. When we put our cubes on, 1's at the bottom, 2 goes on top, 3 goes on top, 4 goes on top. So when we color towers, we're going to start at the bottom, okay? Because towers, when you build something, you always have to start from the ground and go up. So that's what we're going to do here. So how many squares do we need to color here? 1. So remember, we take our color, our crayon, and we just go like this. 1. Am I going to color these? No. I'd get it marked wrong. I'm only going to color 1. So color 1 square here. Stay in the lines. Take your time. If you color up into this next square, you're going to get it wrong, okay? All right. Park your color. What number is next? 1, 2. All right, pick up your crayon. I want you to mark the lines with me. Count and do it with me. Ready? Start at the bottom. Ready? Go. 1, 2. You should have 2 lines because we're coloring 2 squares. Are we going to color the rest of these? No, just these 2. Okay, so color those 2 and then park your crayon. All right, park your crayon. 1, 2, what number's next? Yeah, 3. So pick up your crayon. I want you to count and do it with me. We're going to mark off 3. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. I'm only coloring those ones that I drew a line in. That helps me so I don't color more and get it marked wrong. So now color those 3 and then park your crayon. I am looking for you following the directions. When your mom sends me a picture of your work, I'm looking for neat coloring, staying in the lines. Please don't work ahead. If you're done, please don't work ahead yet. When you're done, remember you park it. All right, I want you to count with me. Say it with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need to pause me if I'm going too fast, pause me, then press start again. We're going to mark off 4. Take your crayon, mark off 4 with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm only coloring those 4. Okay, go color those 4. I know this isn't fun coloring, like coloring a coloring picture, but I still want you to take your time and try your best. Okay, because doing good, neat work is what we do in 5K. You're not 4 anymore. You're a big kid. You are 5. Should do your neatest and best work. All right. If you need to pause me, you can. If not, your crayon is parked and you're ready for the next one. Because when you're at school, that's how I know you're ready. You put your pencil, your crayon down, and your hands are folded and you're ready. That way I know you're all done and you're listening and you're watching me. Okay, pick up your crayon. We're going to mark off 5. Ready? Mark and count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now you're going to color those 5. Only those 5. Go. When you're done, park your pencil. Okay, here's what I'm going to tell you now. You are going to do 6, 7, 8, and 9 all by yourself. You are going to count and mark off 6 and color them. You are going to count and mark off 7 and color them. You are going to count and mark off 8 and color them. You're going to count and mark off 9 and color them. And then I want you to take a picture and put it in the math folder. If you take a picture and do it like this, I'm going to text you and say you didn't finish your math. If we were in school, I would have you do this by yourself. Now it's your turn to show me that you were listening and you know what to do. Okay? So I'm going to watch. I'm going to listen. I'm going to look and see your work when you're all done. I want you to do 6, 7, 8, and 9 by yourself. If you got it, say, I got it, Mrs. Barch. Awesome. Kiss your brain. You got it. Do 6, 7, 8, and 9. Bye. I'm proud of you.